afternoon, everybody. I'm Professor DC Costantino. Welcome to our channel, Home Graduates. So today we are going to speak about the international observers and what did they see during the elections, presidential elections in Mozambique. So after traveling in the whole country, they made a report and they highlighted certain things they found during the elections. Okay, for example, in many tables, they have found that the number of the total voters does not match with the political parties. Okay, to say that A plus B plus C equals the eligible number of voters is being a wrong sum, which means they are failing to do this sum. It is for a long time. It's not starting today, but many times the sum is not correct. So we learn in secondary schools how to do this mathematical equation, but nobody speaks about it. Okay, for example, you have 400 voters and then after votes you say that you had 5,000 votes or voters, so it does not match. There is some mismatch somewhere else. Is wrong. This should be corrected for credibility of the elections. The international observers saw this problem. Okay. We spoke also about the stuffing of votes in many ballot boxes. So they found signals of stuffing process which took place in different period of time. Some of them, it was reported it took place during the lunchtime or breakfast when they are eating something. The other time also it was found that it happened during the blasting of tear gas when the policemen started to shoot and dispersing the voters, the civilians. It took place. Also, some other time during the transportation process, the stuffing happened, and sometimes also we have put some information that the entire ballot boxes disappeared up to now, which means although elections have finished, but we still have the ballots which were not found. Many tables, a lot of votes, which is also not correct. And also we remember that many people were caught alive with billions of voting bulletins in favor of the ruling party, many of them. And some of them, the people were arrested, but we know the system that at any time they can be out. In terms of the financing issues also, there are so many reports highlighting that people were giving from 500 meticals up to 20,000 in order to accept practicing certain irregularities. Okay, so all these things happened during these elections. Okay, in that we've heard about the combat between the policemen and the civilian. So the population of Matiti is well known because they are very harsh, they are very tough. They are trying to protect their votes, but also it was very difficult. Okay, so what's more, what are the schools doing if we have problems of A plus B plus C equals the total number of eligible voters? always it's wrong at the beginning, unless afterwards, when they change the dates of announcement of the votes, announcement of the results of the election, it might take 3, 4, 5 to 6 days. That's when maybe some of these sums are correct. But at the beginning, all the sums are not correct. Can you say we've got a nation with the dull people? Do we have dull people here in this institution? If we have, this is sad, because today in the country we have lecturers, we have educated people, we have technicians. They are able to do correct sums. It cannot take 50 years to solve the problem of a plus b plus c equals to the total number of eligible voters. Can someone correct this? Do we have anyone with the power to correct this? Because this is just repeating again and again and again. These elections are over almost, and very soon we will have some of the municipality elections. The same problem will happen of the maths, failing maths, simple maths, secondary school maths. What are the teachers doing? If this is coming from the schools, what are the teachers doing? Okay, this should be corrected. We need correct sums because it's a nation full of educated people. It's not like some years ago, when people were not educated, no schools. But today we have in the country, which is Mozambique, international schools, we have institutes, we have polytechnics, we have universities, we have professors as well. We have also PhD, okay, they are in the country, so they are able to do this. Please, can we stop with this nonsense of not knowing maths like dull people? This is all for today. See you next time, and bye-bye.